Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Arkansas UST database. So the first resource I want to point you to is a blog post on Convenience Talk. This blog post has a list of all the UST databases listed by state. And so if I pick Arkansas, I'll actually end up on the environmental quality website page with this RSG database. You can kind of see where I'm navigated on this side. And then there's an owner search form and a facility search form. The facility search form will actually give you the owner information too, so I'm going to pick that one. Oh, and by the way, it gives you a list or a summary of all the different underground tanks and everything else. And you can also just download an access database here, meaning Microsoft Access. So you should have that program if you're obviously going to download the entire database and play with it. But it won't give you some information, including pictures, and I'll show you that in a second. So if I go to the facility data search, you can just hit search and it'll bring up a complete list. I actually filtered it this way to active facilities only. And what that gave me, or what it brought up after I hit search, is this list. And you can see there's about 3,400 records found, and I could actually export this to text, Excel, or PDF. And again, there's an option down here to download the entire database. So this is about 172 pages. So what I wanted to do is actually show you the additional reports that are pulled up, or the different views. And so I can actually filter at this point and just pull up all the facilities related to Coulson Oil. So after pressing on Coulson Oil, it'll bring you to this page, which shows all the different facilities owned by Coulson. It'll also give you, summarize whether or not it has an above ground tank, an underground tank, a leak, and let's see. So what I then did is navigate down to one of the locations, which is MacArthur Shell, which is found further down here. And you can see there's some inspection reports, facilities photos, and there was a self-audit. You can also see, although you don't see the header anymore, you can see there's uniquely underground storage tanks here. And so if I bring up that facility, what I have is this page. So we have a contact name on it, whether it's current or not, I don't know. And then if we navigate down the page, you'll see the tanks. Here's tank number 1. It's in use. This is the capacity of the tank. Tank 2 and tank 3. So there's some facility photos here. Here we have dispenser, storefront, and then the tank pits. They were taken in 2014. So here's the storefront. Here are the pits. And here are the pumps. That's it for Arkansas. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.